Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. For today we have a scholarship called Hamdard Education and Cultural Aid. This is being provided by Hamdard National Foundation. This is being provided by Hamdard National Foundation and is open to all professional courses. The link for the application form will be given below in the description box. To know the entire application process, keep on watching the video. If you enjoy content like this, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. Now let's start by typing theglobalscholarship.org on the Google page. Click on the first link that appears on your page. This will take you to our website which has three broad categories: scholarships, abroad scholarships, competitions and awards. For today, let's look into scholarship section. Here there are multiple scholarships to which you can apply according to your eligibility. Now let's click on Hamdard Education and Cultural Aid Scholarship. Once you click on the view button, you will see an interface which has scholarship details like scholarship name, scholarship provider, annual family income limit to which the scholarship is open to. On the right hand side, you can see the important dates, that is start date 1st of November 2022, end date 30th of November 2022, and below to that educational qualification, that is professional courses. After which, go through the scholarship description so that you know the intent of the scholarship provider before you sign up for the scholarship. And now let's check out the eligibility criteria. Applicants must belong to SC, ST, OBC, minority or general categories. Applicant age should not be above 25 years as of 1st of July 2022. Must obtain 50% or above marks in last examination passed. The applicant's parents' income must not exceed 3 lakhs per annum from all sources. The candidate should not be availing of any other scholarship or free ship or financial assistance etc. from other sources. Right after that, you will see the attachment section. Here, you will need a bona fide certificate from the principal or head of the department or college, mark sheets and degree of 10th, 12th, UG, PG, family income certificate, Aadhaar card, bank passbook or passport, certificate of sports participation as mentioned, character certificate from the head of the institution last attended. Moving down the page, you will see how to apply section. The application to the scholarship is an offline process, so you will have to download the form, fill out the form and then send it to the address given here along with the documents needed. After that, you will see the button on the left corner which reads click here to apply. Hit the button. This will redirect you to the official portal. Here you can go through the terms and conditions of the scholarship provider if you want. After that, now let's start filling out the application form. First, attach your photo, passport size photograph, applicant's name, father's name, present address with district, state and pin code, permanent address, date of birth, Aadhaar card number, mobile number, email ID, family income in numbers, number of brothers and sisters. After that, educational details, your 10th percentage and the year you passed out, your 12th percentage and the year you passed out, UG percentage and year passed out, PG percentage and year passed out, course enrolled currently, name of the institution, address of the institution which including district, state and pin code, course fee per annum, and next section is an optional section, sporting achievements if any. So if you are a sports person, then you might want to fill out the section. If not, kindly ignore. Next, bank details, bank name, bank account number, IFSC code. After that, in the below section, you can see the attachments you will need to send out with this application form. That is bona fide certificate, mark sheets, family income certificate, Aadhaar card, bank passbook or passport, certificate of sports participation as mentioned above, character certificate. And after that, signature of the applicant, that is your signature, and below to that, signature of the mother, father or guardian. And this is how you fill out the application form for Hamdard Education and Cultural Aid. For more updates like these, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. You can also join us on Instagram and Telegram at The Global Scholarship. Thank you.